Hi guys, Cliff here. I've just been out and bought a second-hand glider. It's a one that I've often admired but never got round to buying, and that is, can you recognise the shape? It is a bird of time. There she is. For really lovely soaring. It's about 9 foot wingspan, maybe 10, 9.5, something like that. But so first thing to do is to just tightening up the film. I've just fixed the hatch a little bit, and because he's over 40 years old, this one, so if I pop you up there, so I'm just tightening the film, which was a little bit slack. It's been in the chap's loft for a while. We're just working on this side. Film goes a little bit slack when you don't use it after a bit. Bit of a dent there, might come out. Yeah, it's coming out, lovely. It really is in remarkable condition for its age. I don't think it's been flown much at all. Air brakes, rudder elevator air brakes. Happy with that. Let's have a look at the tailplane. All flying tailplane, which means there aren't elevators for those that aren't sure. Yeah, this really does need tightening out, it's pretty slack. Here's the bulk of this one. Right, I've got my transfer, but I'm trying to decide if I want to put it up on the, looks a bit congested up there. I think I'll put it on the wingtip, you know. And I've got a video on applying these stickers, where I do it. Peel back the backing. Stick the backing back on, then you're left with just a small sticky bit in the middle, which you can now place exactly where you want it, and then stick it down in the middle and just peel it back like that. Come that one back, peel it back, pushing the air out as you go, and there you go. Simple as that, guys. And that about completes it now. Got my badge. When these models come up, as this one did, it was only on for less than a day and she was mine. So if you see a plane you like, just go for it, especially second-hand ones. Before I do fly this lovely bird of time, I've had an idea, and that is I've got this 2-axis, I think it's originally intended for a drone, but it's a 2-axis camera mount. Haven't used it on anything yet. I thought it might be rather fun to fix that up on the top of the bird of time, and then I can, as well as look around, I can look down and see what's happening around. So I've decided to remake the cockpit hatch so as it can take this at the back end. So that's what I'm going to make now, so to crack on with it. Cheers. Got to trim down these sides quite a bit actually. Let's mark them on. Okay, and similarly this side. So far so good, guys. I've got my slot made and got the thing shaped up a bit. This slides in here like this, and then it's free to turn. and look forward, look down, like that. So I'm just putting a bit of ply on the front because that gives it a nice hard edge. Obviously I took it down a millimetre to allow for the thickness, but yeah, there we are. It's not too bad, is it? Okay, I found some rather nice orange film in my drawer, so I'm going to cover the hatch with orange film. This will actually be seen on the camera, so don't want to have too many wrinkles in it, do I? No, Cliff, no you don't. Funnily enough, film doesn't stick to ply awfully well, so when I get around this corner I'm not sure if I'm going to cut darts in it. I probably have to, really. Coming on guys, coming on. Not too bad. Let's give it a soul heat. It's not too bad guys, not too bad at all. Okay, tidy up this last little piece and okay, and that'll do. That's the hatch. Let's just turn you around. You can see it in situ. It's going to go hook onto the back like that. Front goes down in there. There we are. One new hatch that's going to take the camera fitting. So there we are guys. The battery fixed up now, so I look left, I look right, left, then I can look right, and then I can look down to see what the view looks like. And the view's going to hopefully be mighty impressive. Left, I can get it down at an angle. Obviously there's no point going down to there because I'm only going to see orange canopy, but I can look left, I can look right, I can look down that side, I can look down that side, see what's going on. So that's what it's going to look like in the sky. It's a little bit unwieldy, it's not too, it looks rickety, but it can't go anywhere. And I think it's going to be a bit of drag, but the sheer size of the plane, it's not going to make a heap of a difference really. So yeah, quite pleased with that. That'll just then unclip, come off, and I've got a couple of extension leads. I can just unplug it and tuck those extension leads in, and it's job done. So there we are guys, that's the Bird of Time ready to go. Camera's all set up, so we should get some great aerial video wherever it is, over the coast or inland. We'll have to see. So if you subscribe for the gliding, brilliant. If you didn't, then watch it anyway and make a comment. I love comments. Cheers for now, bye.